7 Keto Recipes Easy Plus. Find out the difference of keto fastosis and ketogenic diet. Are you looking for quick, easy keto recipes that suit your taste? You've come to the right site. I have a selection of tasty recipes to make the most of your keto diet. Interestingly, you'll be able to learn more the difference between keto fastosis and ketogenic diet as well. It's no doubt that the keto diet has become one of the most popular programs to lose weight and improve overall health. This diet involves consuming a high-fat, low-carb meal that can bring your body into a ketosis state. To get the most of their keto diet, it's highly recommended to plan what you're going to eat daily and cook the meal yourself. Whether it's your first time cooking keto recipes or you've been on this diet for a while, these keto recipes can add variety to your meal plan. While keto cooking may seem overwhelming at first, these recipes will help you feel more confident and ready to deal with your new healthy diet each day. So, let's start with these 7 recipes that you can make with ease at home. 1. Keto Bulletproof Coffee. If you've ever read some keto meal plan samples, chances are you've seen many of them mention this Keto Bulletproof Coffee. This coffee is very simple to make. You just need to prepare 3 ingredients including coffee, MCT oil powder, and grass-fed butter. You can simply mix all these 3 in a blender to have the perfect foamy, energizing latte. Just feel free to spice up your coffee with extras like pure vanilla, cinnamon, a pinch of Himalayan salt, keto collagen protein, or a scoop of exogenous ketones. 2. Keto Brunch Spread Easy Recipes. When you're searching for easy keto recipes, you shouldn't miss this keto brunch spread as well. You'll only need 3 ingredients as well. They include meat, eggs, and asparagus. It's pretty easy to make and very delicious in taste. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 12 slices of pastured, sugar-free meat, 24 asparagus spears. How to make. First, you need to preheat the oven to 400 F. Second, trim the asparagus and wrap them in pair with 1 slice of meat. After that, place them on a sheet pan. Repeat with the remaining asparagus. Next, put them in the oven and set the timer for 20 minutes. While waiting for the meat and asparagus to cook, boil the eggs for about 6 minutes. Peel away the shell once they are boiled. Once the asparagus is ready, you can serve them on a cutting board or tray along with the boiled eggs. 3. Baked Pesto Chicken. This baked pesto chicken recipe doesn't require any complicated ingredients. You just need to prepare for chicken breasts, basil pesto, and mozzarella. To control the carbs, you can make your pesto from scratch or simply find a pre-made low-carb option at the store. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, sliced in half to make 8 pieces, 8 ounces mozzarella, shredded or thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons basil pesto, a half tsp of salt, a quarter tsp of black pepper. How to make. This one of easy keto recipes is very simple to cook as well. First, you need to preheat your oven to 350 F. Second, spray your baking dish with cooking spray and place the chicken in the bottom in 1 layer. Then, sprinkle the chicken with the salt and pepper. Next, spread the pesto on the chicken and put the mozzarella on top. After that, put the dish on the oven and set the time to 35 to 45 minutes. You can broil the chicken for a while at the end to brown the cheese. 4. Spicy Keto Recipes Easy Cheese Crisps. When you're craving snacks but trying to avoid chips, you should try this spicy keto cheese crisps for the ideal carb-free bite. With only jalapeno, crumbled meat, and grass-fed cheddar cheese, you can make this tasty snack in your own kitchen. More interestingly, you don't need lots of time to make this snack. With a total of 15 minutes to prepare and cook, you can easily make it to replace your craving for crackers. Ingredients: 1 med-sized jalapeno, 2 slices of meat, grass-fed cheddar cheese. How to make. First of all, preheat your oven to 425 F and line baking sheet along with the parchment paper. Second, add the cheese and place 1 slice of jalapeno in the middle of the mound. After that, sprinkle the crumbled meat atop. Next, bake it for about 7 to 10 minutes until the cheese melted and the edges browned. Remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the crisps cool completely. 5. Keto N'Oatmeal. If you think you cannot taste the deliciousness of oatmeal during your ketogenic diet, think again. Luckily, you can always have this keto and oatmeal without worrying to ruin your keto diet program. This keto and oatmeal combines hemp hearts, flax meal, and chia seeds with coconut flakes, a scoop of vanilla MCT oil powder, and almond milk. The healthy seeds will improve your daily fiber while the vanilla MCT oil powder will provide you energy for a few hours later. More interestingly, this recipe is very easy to make as well. You just need to combine all the ingredients together in a small sauce pot and stir it. After that, bring to a simmer until thickened, stir occasionally. To make it tastier, you can serve it with frozen berries. 6. Meat, egg, and cheese breakfast casserole. When you're planning to reach ketosis, meat, sausage or ham, eggs and cheese are a must in your fridge. These ingredients aren't expensive and can last a decent amount of time in the fridge. Then, they're also very easy to cook. This egg, meat and cheese breakfast casserole is one of the examples to cook those ingredients. During a busy week, you can even cook it ahead of time to stay on track in your attempt to reach ketosis. Let's check out the keto recipes easy. Ingredients: 12 eggs, 6 meat slices, 4 ounces sour cream, 4 ounces heavy whipping cream, 10 ounces shredded cheddar cheese, 1/3 cup green onions, chopped avocado oil, cooking spray, salt and pepper to taste. How to make. This is actually another one of easy keto recipes that you can cook without any trouble. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Second, cook the meat on the stove top and crumble them into bite-sized pieces once cooked. Third, crack the eggs into med-sized bowl and add heavy cream, sour cream, salt, and pepper. Mix them well with a hand mixer or in a blender. Next, spray a sheet pan with avocado oil cooking spray and arrange cheddar cheese in a single layer. Then, pour the egg mixture on top of the cheese followed by the crumbled meat atop. After that, bake for about 35 minutes. You can remove your casserole when the edges are golden brown. Finally, let it cool and garnish with green onions. 7. Easy Keto Recipes Chicken Salad. When you're into the activity of cooking all your keto meals by yourself, you may find an excess of chicken in the fridge. This easy keto chicken salad recipe can be a good option to make use of your leftover chicken. High in protein, rich in healthy fats and low in carbs, this is another one of the easy keto recipes to become a regular during your attempt to reach ketosis. Ingredients: 5 pounds chicken breast, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 3 ribs celery, diced 2 teaspoons brown mustard, 2 tablespoons fresh dill, chopped 1/2 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. How to make. First of all, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and line your baking sheet with parchment paper. Second, bake the chicken breast for about 15 minutes or until thoroughly cooked. Then, remove the chicken from the oven and let it sit. Once the chicken is completely cooled, cut it into bite-sized pieces. After that, add the chicken, mayonnaise, celery, brown mustard, and salt into a big bowl. Toss until the chicken is completely coated and all the ingredients are combined very well. Next, cover the bowl with plastic wrap or lid and refrigerate until chilled. It may take about 1 to 2 hours. When it's ready to serve, add chopped pecans and fresh dill and toss it lightly. Finally, you can serve it and enjoy. Those are a few keto recipes that you can include to your daily or weekly meal plan. All the recipes mentioned above are very easy to cook and some of them can be done quickly for less than 1 hour only. Now that you've learned some recipes for the keto diet, let me introduce you to keto fastosis, another method to lose weight and boost overall health. When it seems to be similar to ketogenic diet, these two are actually different. Let's reveal the difference between these two below. The difference of keto fastosis and ketogenic diet. A ketogenic diet refers to an eating habit which involves low-carb, high-fat diet. When many other diet programs usually avoid fat, this keto or ketogenic diet focuses on consuming easy keto recipes which are high in fat and medium in protein. In this case, daily calorie intake is supposed to be approximately 70 to 75% from fat, 20% from protein, and 5% from carbohydrate. As a result, your body will be able to get into a phase called ketosis, a condition where someone isn't consuming carbo or only consuming a small amount of it. Then, what makes being on ketosis beneficial for losing weight? When your body is running out of carbs, it is supposed to burn fat as a source of energy. As a result, you can lose more fat by eating fewer carbs. How about keto-fastosis? In general, keto-fastosis is a diet which combines ketogenic and fastosis. While ketogenic is a diet that includes low carb, high fat, and medium protein, fastosis refers to fasting on ketosis. It means that you're fasting during the ketosis condition. The fasting duration is about 6 to 12 hours or more. The duration can depend on individual conditions. Actually, fastosis is an attempt to revitalize the actual lifestyle of a person. In this case, it's supposed to bring back your diet to the right track in order to maintain the condition of optimal fat metabolism. The benefits of ketogenic and keto-fastosis diet. Then, what are the effects of practicing ketogenic and keto-fastosis diet? Even though the keto diet seems to be a perfect diet for most people, there are actually some side effects that can appear. First, it takes 2 to 4 weeks for your body to be accustomed to the ketosis phase. Second, if your body cannot reach ketosis, you still have enough carbs as an energy source in your body. At this point, you won't be able to lose any fat. Then, consuming fat excessively can also lead to various side effects including high cholesterol level. Then, limiting carb intake can also make you starving and get dizzy. You're also at risk of limp and getting sleepy easily. How about keto-fastosis diet? Generally, those who practice this diet will experience something like a healing crisis, a term used to portray terrible conditions which occur when someone changes the metabolism system. In this case, the diet may lead to severe acne as a consequence of consuming excess fat, dry skin, skin itching, nausea, dandruff, and even limp. Moreover, you should understand that changing your body metabolism can also impact the turnover of the cells in your body to adjust to this new way of working. As a result, healing crisis occurs and the duration of this condition is different from one to another. Different from other diet methods, you need to have a lifetime commitment when you want to go with keto-fastosis diet. It's because changing your diet too frequently can damage your body metabolism. All in all, both ketogenic and keto-fastosis diet basically have their own pros and cons. Then, which diet is the best? It's better to talk to your doctor first before deciding which diet to do, especially if you have any medical history that needs to be watched out. And if ketogenic is the right option for you, you can include some of these easy keto recipes to your daily diet. We hope you can get the most of your diet and good luck.